Listen, the Russians, they can steal the elections all they want, but going after the Ford Mustang? That's crossing the line. What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about a Russian company. They're actually building an all-electric, all-wheel drive Mustang. And not only is it a Mustang, but it's a classic Fastback Mustang. So it's an awesome looking car. I mean, I'd have to say, the renderings that they showed, it's a beautiful red Mustang. Now, the Mustang's actually being called the Mustang EV. Like I said, it's going to be an all-electric, all-wheel drive Mustang. It's supposed to have 840 horsepower and close to 750 foot-pounds of torque, and it's supposed to actually have a decent range, like 350 miles. So it'll be able to compete with Teslas, and as far as acceleration, it goes from supposedly 0 to 60 in like 2.2 seconds. So this would be a Tesla killer, but I'm not sure exactly how this is actually going to be made, because it's actually being called the Mustang EV, so you can tell that, it's not like they're trying to change the name and do their own styling. I mean, they're legitimately calling it the Mustang EV, and it's actually being made for the Russian company AVR. I'm sure I'm kind of killing that name, but I'm kind of baffled why or how they're even able to make this. I mean, I'm sure there has to be some kind of copyright infringement or something, because Ford, they haven't given this company any kind of permission to make this car. If y'all remember back in 2011, Ford, they actually gave a company permission to create a shell of a Mustang, a classic Mustang, that people could, just buy and then just build their car around it. So they actually had a new classic Mustang. But with this car, they haven't gotten any permission from Ford that I've heard, and it's going to be a really cool car, but like I said, I just don't see how this is going to get past copyright or anything. But then again, this is Russia. If they decide not to sell it anywhere in America, I couldn't see any kind of legal repercussions happening, because, this is a completely different country. I'm sure that Ford, they could try to take some kind of legal action, but, with a company being in Russia, if they don't sell anything in America, I don't see anything happening, really. The inside styling is kind of iffy for me. It looks like there's going to be cloth seats. I do like how they have that big old tablet right there in the middle, just like Tesla. So, the inside's iffy. I'm sure that there's going to be all kind of different options on the inside, but from the renderings we're seeing, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm sure it'll be different in person, if they even make it, because no car has actually been made yet. But all we can do is wait and see. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Now, as far as price, they're saying it's going to be about 400,000 euros, which converted to dollars, that's going to be $455,000. So, would you pay $455,000 for an all-electric, all-wheel drive Mustang? It'll be quick and everything, like I said, 0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds, but $450,000 for a car. If you're going to spend that much on a car, buy something exotic or something. Don't get me wrong at all, this is really going to be a cool car, but for $455,000, it's just too much. Come on, you can buy so much more with that. But at the end of the day, all we can do is wait and see, because all this is a concept right now, but it looks like it will be happening. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments, if y'all like it, if y'all don't like it, if the Russians should keep their hands off of the Ford muscle cars. Just let me know down below. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day. And one thing I want to add before I finish this video, I'm actually editing it right now, but who I got this video idea from is actually my boss, Joseph. He asked me what I thought about this Mustang. I heard about it in an obscure news article, but when he asked me, I was like, you know what, maybe people actually have a little bit of interest in this, so thank you, Joseph.